Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna guide you through how you can invite friends to play One Piece Treasure Cruise. To invite friends on One Piece Treasure Cruise, first of all, open up the One Piece Treasure Cruise app on your device like you normally do, and from the home screen, tap on the Friends tab, which is available at the top right menu. Now, from the Friends tab, tap on Invite Friend. You will then be able to see the invite options. You can invite friends with social media option or invite in-game friend. If you tap on invite in-game friend, you will then be able to see a list of in-game friends from the menu. Go ahead and select one of the contacts you want to add and click on OK. Now, in order to invite friends through social media, tap on the invite friend with social media option and then in the pop-up, click on copy. You will then be able to copy your invitation link, which you can share via various mediums such as WhatsApp, Facebook, SMS app, and so on. Simply go ahead and find one of these applications and then choose a contact you want to invite. After choosing one of the friends, you can go ahead and paste in the link that you just copied and send it to the person. Now, once your friends accept your invite, they'll be added to your friend list. After you are friends, you can use their captains as your friend leader in battles. You can remove or manage friends by going to friends list. And that's how you easily invite friends in One Piece Treasure Cruise. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.